kape naman. Sabi ng utak tama na. Pero ayaw pa rin tumigil ng kakape. Kakape. What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. So, I slept a while ago and I woke up again and no one cares and okay, just wag naman tayong pilosopo. So, I basically reviewed the mistakes I did from my resume and the teachers. I had a score of 15/20, so I was basically missing a position I want to be in, and I hereby certify statement and also my signature. So yeah, to those who want to make a resume, you basically need this stuff. Yeah, but in my case it's a school project, so I'm really thankful that I'm learning in my high school. I'm learning relatable stuff that I will be using in my daily life soon. And since my dream is to become a pilot, uh, well, I will be basically I later after this vlog and right after I drink my coffee, I will be practicing myself on answering some of the question. Wait, oh shoot, I have my phone is 28%, so this vlog might be short, so let me just drink my coffee. It's about 12:15 in the midnight. I stayed up because I slept a while ago and I drank coffee. This is my second time. I know. I'm very addicted to coffee now. But I really should have disciplined myself, because I should discipline myself on drinking coffee, because they say that coffee is active in caffeine and it's sometimes a bad thing. And my mother even said that um, it could reduce my height. mm, I don't know, study science stuff and you will know that, guys. So okay, let's drink. This is sweet. This is sweet, very sweet. Okay, but I need coffee because I need to practice, and by tomorrow I basically fixed the mistake that my teacher asked me to add in this resume. um Basically, yeah, I'm asking my parents to reprint this thing, and my teacher also sent I mean my teacher also said that I should print the criteria as well. So yeah, that's what my parents will be printing tomorrow. So goodbye, peeps. Have a good day and have a productive life. Also go touch grass because I already did a long time ago. Actually, I'm gonna tell you a short story. You know what my routine was like before face-to-face school? Very unhealthy. Screen time all day. So, do not be like me, guys. You have to touch grass. You have to understand life better. And it came, no, it's now coming from me. And I totally understand that, because not every day you can use internet. Someday you will have problems paying for the internet, right? So that's how my life was. Basically, just because of the pandemic, we lived an isolated period, and now that the pandemic is over, I'm very thankful for all the new people I met, whether good or bad influence. At least, here's a tip: do not just join them. So be yourself. Self love, okay? Self love. Okay. Bye, guys. I'm gonna be drinking coffee, and I'll be practicing my vocabulary for. Okay, let me practice. Hello, my name is blah blah blah. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, bye bye, guys. This pesky fly.